One of the hardest things to do as a new investor is understanding how the stock market works and then choosing stock to invest in that's right for you. Fortunately, we've got you covered because we've done the hard work for you. For more than 20 years, we've been building multi-million-dollar businesses within the financial industry, and our founding members have been investing for decades. So we know a thing or two about picking the right investments. This presents an opportunity for you to access and download our latest dividend-powered companies for both long-term compounding and passive income, and to gain valuable insights into high-risk, high-reward, under-the-radar stock each week. So if you want to learn investing from the best without wasting any time, and you want to access the top 5 growth stocks for free each week, then visit www.massivestocktrends.com. That address again, www.massivestocktrends.com.